ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We have to see these shabdas. Okay, Anusha. Anusha is there? Anusha, start with first vakya.
From Guru.
Where are you seeing? Here. This one. तू राजा की सेवा करता है, सुख पाता है और सुख पूर्वक रहता है।
Next chapter.
Okay. Next. Who can say this vakya?
त्वं गुरुं सेवसे सुखं लभसे सुखे तिष्ठतः।
Tishthatah. Tishthatah is which lakara?
So Vidhilinga, right?
Tishthatah. No. Lat lakara only. Tishtati, tishtatah, tishtanti. Where it is vivachana. Here, which vachana should come? Purusha and vachana.
Yes. Tishtase only, right?
Tishtasi.
Okay, tishtasi.
But stadhat is gati nivrittau. Here, sukha purvak rehta hai. It should be vartasena. What is the?
Tishta, right? Is it tishta? The dhatu is tishta?
Stha dhatu won't come here because tha means gati nivrittau. So there is no gati in that stha dhatu meaning. Here it is sukham is there, right? Sukhapurvak rehta hai means
Sukhe asti exists, not as santi.
అమ్మ జీవసి అని చెప్పచ్చమ్మా. సుఖే జీవసి.
Yes, Sukhena Jivasi. There is Niyama 31, page number 18. Niyama 31. Prakrityadibhyaha upasankhyanam. By this sutra, whenever Sukha word comes, it will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. Because by its nature, it's Ananda. Ananda is by its nature, not by doing anything like that. So whenever Prakriti kind of meanings comes, then it will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. We can look at the Niyama 31. Sukhena Jivati. Jivati or Jivasi or Vasasi. Whatever. Next one.
అమ్మ చెప్పనమ్మా.
Hmm.
నగరే మనుష్యాः సంతి.
Hmm. Next. Prabhaji.
बालकः मार्गे यतिः ईष्यते no right
Yes.
yeah ईष्यते
Ikshate. Yatim.
yatim
Sannyasi is object, right?
right thank you
Next, Shivananji. Shivananji is there.
These are kind of different from what you
Hmm.
sent, Purnaji. So you sent the latest one, right? 15 to 20.
Which one?
The sentences seem to be different. Like you sent something last time. It said 15 to 20, use this.
Sentences are different.
I don't know which version I'm looking, but I'll switch back to old
Yes,
version.
Yes. I also doesn't have these words, these sentences. How many of you following this new document?
I am
Okay.
I
Next.
am also
Okay. Half of the people are following new document. Okay. Okay, let us see both versions. We'll try. But these three are same, right?
I think it was said as Devadatta something.
Yes. Actually, in my book, Mat Khavo, third one is Mat Khavo. Even that Mat Hasu. Oh, sorry, this is the different chapter. Okay, we'll see. Mine also Devadatta Marg में सन्यासी को देखता है. Okay, next one. Shivananji is not there, right? Okay,
I think he just joined.
Yes. Uma Amma?
So the sentence I'm looking at is मोक्ष के विषय में तुम यत्न करते हो. मोक्ष विषयेषु त्वं यत्नं करोति or करोसि. I'm not sure what the Madhyama Purusha is.
Moksha Vishaya, we can just use Saptami Mokshe. There is a niyama, that 74th niyama. Whatever is the subject matter, if we want to say that we can say in directly Saptami. Now,
so Vishayeshu is not correct, right? Vishaye or we just can say Mokshe.
Mokshe is enough.
Mokshe tvam yatnam, and then I don't know the Madhyama Purusha of karte ho, karo.
This is the dhatu is which dhatu?
Vikra.
Yatasva we can use.
Oh.
Yat is the dhatu, yatasva.
Yatasva. Okay. Mokshe tvam yatasva.
Shivananji, next one.
Just one question, Purnaji.
Yes.
This is in Lat Lakar, right? Isn't Yatasva Lot Lakar? So Yatase would be the.
Vakya is in Lat Lakara.
In our in the book that you're presenting.
Okay.
It is karte ho.
If it is Lat Lakara, then Yatase. So those who are following the other book, old PDF, in that it is in that also karte ho. Yatna karte ho is lot or lat?
You are doing kind of a thing. So you do. Not as an injunction. There is no injunction. So lot, it won't be lot. And also in this, I think, chapter, they have only introduced Lat Lakar for Atmanipadi.
Okay, we'll see that Vakya again. Next, Shivananji, can you do that Vakya or will you do later?
तुम दुख सहते हो, गुरु की सेवा करते हो और संसार के शोभित. Just 1 or 2 sentences can I try afterwards?
Okay, next, who can say that 5th Vakya? Upendraji, can you do?
Yeah, ma'am. Vakya is तुम दुख सहते हो, गुरु की सेवा करते हो और संसार में शोभित होते हो। त्वं त्वं दुःखं दुःखं सह धातु सह से त्वं दुःखं सहसे गुरुं गुरुं सेवसे संसारे शोभ शोभसे च शोभित होते हो शोभसे च at the end.
Can you repeat the Vakya again?
त्वं दुःखं सहसे
Hmm.
गुरुं सेवसे संसारे शोभसे च।
Okay. Its previous Vakya is also Lat Lakara only, not Lot Lakara.
यतसे will come. त्वं मोक्षे यतसे. Fifth one. Amma, can you hear me, Amma?
Yes, yes. Now I can hear.
त्वं दुःखं सहसे गुरुं सेवसे संसारे शोभते च।
Yes. Previous one also Yatate. Yatase. Sorry. Yatase. Yatase.
Okay, Amma. Thank you. Hari Om.
Next one.
Mahavir, shouldn't that be, I think, Shobhase, not Shobhate, right?
Yes, Shobhase.
Yes, Amma. I'm sorry. I pronounced it as Shobhathe, but it is Shobhase
Yes, yes.
because second person, no? Yeah.
Next one, Vaha dhan mein ramta hai. What is the Telugu Vakya for fifth one? Oh, there is no Telugu Vakya. Okay. Next, Vijaya ji.
वह धन में रखता है रमता है। सह धने रमति रमते।
आत्मनेपदे। Next, Anusha.
वृक्षः कम्पते।
Next, Jaya. Okay, Jaya can't do. Okay. Next, Prabhaji.
ఇది చెప్తాలేనమ్మా ఇది साधु राजा से अन्न मांगता है। यति नृपः अन्नं भिक्षेत।
No. Prabhaji, can you try?
Yeah. Yatihi Rajam. Rajam Annam Yachate.
Raja Shabda goes like
Rajan,
Rajano, Rajanaha, Rajanam.
Rajanam. Okay. So Yatihi Rajanam Annam, and it says if we have to use Bhiksh. So Bhiksh, would it be Bhikshate then? I don't know how Bhiksh will decline.
Bhikshate.
Yeah, bhikshate then.
We saw this,
Uh,
right?
Could you say that again? I didn't hear.
We saw this dhatu, right? We have
I
declined.
think, yeah, but I forgot. Yes, it's
Okay.
in the sentences above also. In the
Uh-huh.
10th sentence. Bhikshate. Okay.
Next one. Shirisha ji.
बालक पिता को प्रणाम करता है।
Hmm.
बालक पिता को प्रणाम करता है, घर में कूदता है और सत्य ही बोलता है। बालकः पितरं वन्दति, गृहे कूदति अपि सत्यं वदति।
Bhash dhatu.
भाषते।
Bhashate. Next, Shivanand ji.
विद्या ज्ञानं सत्येन शोभित। शोभित। ज्ञानं सत्येन शोभितम्।
Shobhit. There is a dhatu.
शोभित।
Shubh dhatu. Shubh dhatu. Shobhate.
शोभते।
Vidya
What is
satyena.
the Tritiya?
Huh?
Tritiya Vibhakti normal it is.
Yes. Satyena is tritiya. Next one. Umama.
तुम क्या चाहते हो? So they taken the meaning of chahana for ich. Tvam kim ichhati? No, ichhasi.
And you can take ih dhatu.
So ih dhatu, I think meaning they have is
ih dhatu. Okay. Icha you can take. Ih dhatu. In Ashtadhyayi, different meaning is there.
different, yes. Yeah. So
Yes.
tvam kim ihas no ichhasi.
Yes.
Okay.
Next, Upendra ji.
हरि ओम माँ। पुरुषों में सिंह, पशुओं में सिंह श्रेष्ठ है। पशुओं में पशु सप्तमी पशुषु पशुषु सिंहः श्रेष्ठः अस्ति। I can use?
No, not required. Just Pashusho Simhaha Shreshtaha.
फिर है लिखा है ना माँ। Because
Ah,
fine is
we
there,
can
we
say,
have to use
but it is
bhu dhatu or asu dhatu. No?
not required. Shreshtaha, this Vakya will give that meaning by itself. In
Okay.
some places, we don't use Kriya Pada.
Okay.
Like if we want to say in Telugu, Pashuvuలలో సింహము శ్రేష్టము. Asti or bhu dhatu can come there. Asdhatu,
Not
bhu
required.
dhatu.
In that usage, it is understood.
Sanskrit also, in that usage, we can understand sometimes without using the Kriya Pada.
Pashushu simhaha shresthaha.
Also, Pashunam also can come. Shashti
Sixth
Bhuti
case.
Vachana.
Sixth case only. Pashunam simhaha shresthaha. Pashushu pashunam. Both can be used.
Yes.
Pashushu pashunam va simhaha shresthaha.
Next, Vijayaji.
This is fifth vibhakti, no? Fifth vibhakti, no? Pashuvo mein simha shrestha hai.
Saptami Vibhakti.
Oh, Pashuvo mein. That is the in between comparison. Comparison, no? That is.
Not comparison. Comparison means this thing is better than that. That kind of meaning comparison means. Here, in Jati, Guna, Kriya. In that, if we are separating something special, then that will be either in Shashti or in Saptami. We saw there is a sutra. Jati Guna Kriya. When it comes, then Shashti Vibhakti or Saptami Vibhakti comes. So this Pashu Ome is a Jati, right?
Yes, yes. Got it. Dhanyavad.
Is this the Yatascha Nirdharanam sutra for in Abhyasa
No.
15?
Not Yatascha Nirdharanam. Yatascha Nirdharanam is Panchami only, I think.
So this one says amongst many, when you separate one, there Shashti and Saptami is seen. Chhatranam Chhatreshu Ramaha Shreshtaha.
It's
Niyama
Niyama
64.
64.
Sutra is Yatascha Nirdharanam.
Yes, sorry. Yatascha Nirdharanam. That sutra only. Vritti is there. Jati Guna Kriya Bihi. I thought this is the sutra. Shashti Saptamyo Vartate. Jati Guna Kriya Bihi. Samudayat Ekadeshasya Prutakaranam Nirdharanam. Jati is there. From that, if we are separating one part, then that will be in either Shashti or Saptami. Next, Vijayaji.
मध्याह्न में तू यह आना. मध्याह्ने त्वम् अत्र आगच्छसि.
Can you repeat again?
मध्याह्ने त्वम् अत्र आगच्छसि और आह्वयसि.
Agachasi is
Ana means Ravadam.
Is that which lakara should come there? Prabhaji? Yaha ana means which lakara should...
It's because tum is there, so it is Madhyama Purusha.
Right?
Madhyama Purusha. Madhyam Purusha, Lat Lakara or Lot Lakara?
Just a minute. Let me just look at that again. This is
Sounds like
मध्याह्न में तू यहाँ आना. You come here. So
sounds like
so it's
load.
a lot. Yeah, lot.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry
Lot
about
Lakara. Mhm.
Agaccha.
Yes. Madhyahna,
Purna ji. Right, sorry. Go ahead.
Madhyahna, you used Saptami Vibhakti. By which niyama?
Kala. Kala Desha is Saptami Vibhakti.
Okay. Prabhaji, you are asking something?
Yeah, sorry, I forgot the question. When it comes back, I'll ask. Sorry about that.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Anusha?
अहं त्वाम् आह्वयामि आह्वयामि
Can you repeat Vakya?
अहं त्वाम् आह्वयामि
Tvam or Tvam?
त्वम्
Yes. Next. Prabhaji?
So, तेरे साथ कौन है? So it will be Tritiya. Tvaya saha is that Tvaya saha?
Yes.
Kaun? Kaha or Kim? I don't know the gender. So Kim Tvaya saha Kim agachati? No, agachati.
तेरे साथ कौन है? That Vakya, right?
Oh, kaun hai? It's not agachati. So Tvaya saha kaha asti?
Yes. Sirisha ji?
क्या तुझे फल अच्छा लगता है?
In your book, is that Vakya is there or something else is there?
I opened the old one, Purnaji.
Same Vakya or different Vakya?
No, I opened the old one now. I'm not looking that new. At what you
Okay. Then
said.
same Vakya is there.
So, किं त्वं फलं रोचसे?
Is that Fal is Ekavachan or Bahuvachan?
Ekavachan, ma'am.
Ekavachan. Okay. Can you repeat the Vakya again?
किं त्वं फलं रोचसे?
Yes. Next one. Shivananji?
Tujhe or Tvam only it will come.
Yes.
I thought we have to use Tubhyam because Rochate. No?
Tvai.
Yes, yes. Rochate tubhyam should come.
Tubhyam.
Instead of tvam, tubhyam should come.
तेरी पुस्तक कहाँ है? भवतः पुस्तकं कुत्र अस्ति? हरि ओम मम।
Bhavan.
भवान्।
Bhavan. Or tava. Sorry, bhavatah shashti. Sorry. Bhavatah. Or tava.
तव। वही षष्ठी है। वही षष्ठी भवतः पुस्तक। ओके, गॉट।
भवतः पुस्तकं कुत्र अस्ति is also correct. Tava pustakam kutra asti is also correct. Tava, when we use singular, then we use tava. If we want to give respect, then we use bhavataha. Though it is singular, still if we are speaking with respect, then we'll use bhavataha.
Okay.
Next.
Asi, right, Mahodaya? Purnaji?
Yes. Asi. Okay, next. Uma.
तुझ में ज्ञान है, त्वयि ज्ञानम अस्ति। अस्ति और ज्ञानम अस्ति।
त्वयि ज्ञानम अस्ति. Next one.
तुझ में ज्ञानम अस्ति.
Is it अस्ति or अस्ति? It's present.
Madhyama purusham tuj tvam tvai. Asi is correct.
I said asti is the correct because that kriya pada indicating jnanam. Not kriya pada is not indicating vai. Pustakam is also indicating that asti is indicating pustakam, not tava. So in this vakya, in these two vakyas, asti pada is indicating karma, not subject. So I will let you know what kind of vakya is this and with which niyama we will write this. Because so far we saw that subject should follow, whatever is the kriya pada should follow the subject, whatever is the linga, vachana, vibhakti of subject. This is what we saw so far, but this is little bit different. I will let you know about it. Next one, Vijayaji.
तू बाल्यकाल में विद्या सीखता है. Balyakala means balakaha.
Balyakalam. Balyakale. Saptami.
Okay. Tvam balyakale vidyam shikshate.
Shiksha, say.
Okay, say.
Next, last one. Oh, not last one in this. Last one. Anusha.
धनं सुखं ज्ञानं च लभते.
Tu is there, na?
Tvam.
Tvam?
Dhanam, Sukham, Jnanam cha labhate.
Labhase. Tvam is there, so labhase.
Sorry, labhase.
Okay, that one point we will see tomorrow. Other than that, is there any other doubt?
मैं तुमको बुलाता हूँ నేను నిన్ను పిలుస్తున్నాను అప్పుడు త్వం అంటే నేను నీవు పిలుస్తున్నాను అని వస్తుంది కదా నేను నిన్ను అన్నప్పుడు త్వాం వస్తుంది కదా ద్వితీయ విభక్తి
Yes, tvam. No. Tvam only. Tvam is Tvam means what will come? What did you say?
నీవు
Yes, Ninnu is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Yes. Aham Tvam Ahvayami.
ఆహ్వయామి
Yes. Any other doubt? Okay, we'll see the next chapter.
Hari Om.
Mhm.
That in the 16th word bank, Yushmad is Pratipadika. No? Why they are given Sarvanama?
Where it is given?
16th, first one.
In this?
Word. No, not the working of this.
In this?
Yushmad, that is Pratipadika. No?
Yes, Pratipadika.
They are given Sarvanama.
Yushmat Shabda is Sarvanama Shabda.
So Pratipadika can become Sarvanama both.
Every pada has Pratipadika. Every Shabda has Pratipadika. Right? Like Simha Shabda is there. This Simha, this is Pratipadika actually. Simha is the Pratipadika. It is in the word, but generally in this way Pratipadika should come. Simha. Then what is the name it can given to Simha Shabda?
Simha.
Namavachaka.
Okay.
It is noun. Yushmat is pronoun.
Okay.
So tat, etat, kim, all these shabdas are Sarvanama Shabdas. All shabdas can have Pratipadika. Without Pratipadika, Shabda will not come, will not form.
For Kriya?
Kriya Dhatus. Save Dhatu, Labh Dhatu, Vruddh Dhatu, all these are Dhatus. From Dhatus, Kriya Padas will come. From Pratipadika, Shabdas will come.
No, sorry, the Kriya Visheshana like Atra, Itra, for that Pratipadikas and all these things will not be there, no?
No, for that Pratipadika won't be there. It is Abhyaya Shabdas.
And this declination also will not be there.
No.
Okay. Okay.
Avyaya means indeclinable.
Mm-hmm.
Those are called avyaya shabdas.
Sorry, Amma, those are called?
Avyaya, indeclinable.
Okay. Okay.
Sandhi Vicheda is there.
You can do Sandhi Vicheda, right? Anybody has any doubt in Sandhi Vicheda? If it is new Sandhi, then we can do practice, but all we have done enough practice. Next, Asmat Shabda. Okay, can anyone decline? Whose turn now? Shirisha ji.
Aham, avam, vayam, mama,
Mom.
mam, ma, avam,
Avam.
No. sorry, avam, now, asman, naha, maya, avabhyam,
Hmm.
asmabhihi,
Hmm.
mahyam, me, avabhyam, now, asmabhyam, naha, mad,
Asmabhyam. Asmabhyam.
asmabhyam, naha, mad, avabhyam,
Hmm.
asmat,
Hmm.
mama, me, avayoh, now, asmakam, naha, mai, avayoh, asmasu.
This is Saranam Shabda. There is no linga for Asmat Shabda and Yushmat Shabda. Yushmat Shabda is which linga? If anyone asks, there is no linga. Asmat Shabda also, there is no linga. Snehaha. Sneha means friendship. Vishwasaha. Vishwasaha, trust. Abhilashaha, desire. Mrigaha, animal. Sharaha, arrow. Shastram, scripture. Shraddha, faith. Nishtha, obedience. Ratihi, love. Sneh. Sneh dhatu also to friendship, to do friendship. Kship dhatu to throw. Okay. Sanskrit meanings are Sneh dhatu preetau. Kship dhatu prerane, to throw. Much dhatu mokshane, to free, to liberate. As dhatu gati deepyadaneshu. Gati means to go. Deepya means to shine. Adanesh, adana means to take. All these meanings can come for as dhatu. Vishwas, the upasarga purvak, shwas dhatu, to have faith. Adru, a upasarga purvak, dru dhatu, adare, to respect, to praise, to honor. Yuktaha. Yuktaha, united. Kritaha, kritaha is kru dhatu. Yuktaha also yuj dhatu, ta pratyaya. I think they might have given some niyamas in this chapter.
Purnanji, you skipped one line.
Skipped one line.
Kritaha. I thought you went to yuktaha.
Okay. In my book, order is different. Okay.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okay. Kritaha, kru dhatu, ta pratyaya. Ta pratyaya sutra is nishtha. Ta tavatu. Ta tavatu. Nishtha pratyaya. Kritaha means did. Past tense. Ta pratyaya is indicating past tense. The sutra, if you want to see, 32102. Sati. Next is Sati, na? Sati means this is Sati Saptami. If one kriya is happening and another kriya is going to happen, like bhojane krite sati. When you are eating at that time, Ramaha bhojane krite sati Lakshmanaha agacchati. While Rama is eating, Lakshmana has come. That sati is indicating at that time. Asaktaha, to have interest. Or attachment. Lagnaha, to involve. Anuraktaha. Anuraktaha, to have love. Praveenaha, Naipunyam. What is the meaning in English?
Naipunyam is kushalaha, that is dexterity. Here, Hindi, it is said Praveenaha is chatura, clever.
Yes. Naipunyam means clever.
Naipunyam is clever?
Yes.
Naipunyam is dexterity, right? That is kushalaha. So Praveenaha means.
Okay. Naipunya word.
Oh, okay. Later it says Nipunaha means Chaturaha. So I guess they're all.
Yes.
Because it's one who is skilled, I think, Uma Mohade. So that's why Chatura. One who is skilled will be Chatura, right? That way, I think.
No, but it's the word Chatura is being used for both Praveenaha and Nipunaha. So that is why I'm.
Kushalaha also they used Nipunaha.
Nipunaha, correct.
Yes. All are Nipunaha.
Okay.
Means having ability.
Ability, correct. Yes.
Ability. Okay. We'll see the other sutras and niyamas in next class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Harihi Om.